You might need to change the default app for messaging on your mobile phone. Recently, when Samsung Messages app started crashing, I have created a fix video. Link of the video is provided in description. In this case, you can also switch the default SMS app to Google Messages. Apart from this, when multiple texting apps are installed, the default may be any app other than Google Messages. But you can set the Google Messages as default app easily. Here is how to set Google Messages as default app in Android phone. First of all, make sure that Google Messages app is installed on your phone. For this, tap on Play Store. Type Google Messages in the search box. Press enter. If you see open, then the app is installed. In case install is showing, then tap on it. The installation will be started. Once completed, tap on settings. Type default apps in search. Tap on the correct result. Now tap on the SMS app. Select Messages. This is Google Messages. You can also manually change the default app. Tap on Settings. Select Apps. Tap on Default Apps. Then tap on SMS app. Here check Messages.